Get ready to turn your home into a winter wonderland with these Christmas decor ideas for 2024. Whether you prefer a traditional, rustic, or modern look, there are endless ways to bring holiday magic into your space. Let's explore some of the top trends to help you create a warm, inviting, and festive atmosphere this holiday season. While red and green are classic Christmas colors, 2024 gives them a contemporary spin. Pair bold red accents with emerald green for a fresh, updated look. Incorporate modern textures like velvet stockings, metallic ornaments, and geometric tree skirts to elevate this timeless palette. For a more subtle approach, neutral tones are making waves this year. Think beige, ivory, and soft browns paired with natural elements like wooden ornaments, pine cones, and greenery. This minimalistic style creates a calming and cozy holiday vibe while still feeling festive. Gold is the go-to accent color of 2024, bringing a touch of elegance and luxury to any Christmas setting. Add gold ribbons, candle holders, or delicate metallic ornaments to your tree and table settings. For an even more striking look, use gold garlands or a bold golden tree topper to make your decor shine. Scandinavian-style Christmas decor focuses on simplicity and natural elements. In 2024, the focus remains on clean lines, white tones, and wooden accents. You can enhance this look with cozy touches like knitted stockings, minimalist wreaths, and string lights. This style is perfect for creating a calm and serene holiday retreat. Bring a nostalgic feel to your home with vintage-inspired Christmas ornaments. Whether it's heirloom pieces or vintage-inspired new finds, these ornaments can make your tree stand out. Go for mercury glass, antique gold, and old-world charm to evoke the magic of Christmases past. Turn your home into a cozy cabin this holiday season by embracing a rustic decor theme. Use elements like plaid blankets, wooden reindeer figurines, burlap ribbons, and natural greenery. Add a roaring fireplace or faux fireplace, and you've got the perfect setting for a warm Christmas evening. One of the biggest trends for 2024 is glamorizing your Christmas dining table. Set a luxurious table with crystal glassware, gold-trimmed plates, and plush napkins. Add stunning centerpieces like tall gold candlesticks, garlands with fairy lights, and elegant place settings to create a magical holiday dining experience. Are these Christmas decor ideas inspiring you? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know how you're planning to decorate for the holidays this year. For those who want to break away from the traditional colors, try a more playful and whimsical palette. Pastel hues like blush pink, baby blue, and lavender are trending this season. You can decorate your tree with fun, colorful ornaments, add quirky accents like mini toy soldiers, or display brightly wrapped gifts for a festive, fun-filled space. Eco-friendly decor is gaining popularity as more people embrace sustainable living. Choose reusable and biodegradable decorations like wooden ornaments, organic cotton stockings, or wreaths made from dried foliage. LED string lights are not only energy efficient but also add a warm glow to your holiday setup. For those who love a statement, go big with Maximalist Christmas decor. Layer your tree with oversized ornaments, bold garlands, and eye-catching ribbons. Fill every corner of your home with decorations, from glittering wreaths to candy cane-inspired accents, for a truly over-the-top holiday experience. Christmas 2024 is all about combining traditional charm with modern trends to create a magical holiday space. Whether you prefer a minimalist Scandinavian look or an extravagant maximalist approach, these decor ideas will help transform your home into a festive holiday retreat. Get creative and enjoy the process of making your space warm, cozy, and full of Christmas cheer.